Hi, Georgie. Have you heard about Orion? Oh, come on. You gotta try the subwoofer.
I don't know. All the brands are the same. My dad said so.
Orion will blow your mind, Georgie, and all your windows. Georgie, I'm the sales rep from Orion Car Audio. You are Georgie. So now, like us on Facebook, alright?
And on Instagram. Follow me back.
Living without this?
And HCCA.
Exactly, 15 inches. Take it. Oh, you want it, don't you, Georgie? Of course you do. There's mid-bass, speakers, all sorts of amplifiers down here. And subwoofers too. All models.
Any demo?
Oh yes. On YouTube. Georgie. On YouTube. And if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.